What's up, guys? Ryan from the MXG channel back again. I wanted to clear up a little confusion. Well, I can't really clear it up, but hopefully I can help people to understand. And it's regarding the KTM 2023 Gen Plastics. Now, for years, I mean, ever since I started riding, if you needed plastics, you rarely bought those from the dealer, the OEM plastics anyway. I mean, you would grab some Polysport, Cherubies, UFO, Cycra, something like that. And it seems like that might be changing for the 2023 KTM Gen stuff. So from what I'm hearing, Polysport and Cherubies at least will definitely not be offering the 2023, or maybe they're helping KTM to produce plastic, but it's all going to be sold via KTM OEM, branded KTM. So the only way I know of to get this plastic right now is via a KTM dealer. Obviously, I got to recommend AOMC. The link is the first link in the description. I know a lot of you guys have been trying to get plastic and it's hard to come by. Everything's kind of a mess right now in the world, guys. Supply chains, a lot of that stuff's on back order. But what I can recommend is get an order placed. You can cancel at any time and get a refund, but getting your order placed gets your spot in line. So when that plastic does come off back order, you can get it. Otherwise, it might be a while before you get it. They're coming in batches. I know UFO has plastics for 2023 listed on their website. Parts Unlimited does not have that in stock yet. It does have an ETA that they might, but I'm also hearing rumors that there might be some litigation in place for that as well. So, if KTM has their way, I would say that you'll be getting your plastic through KTM, at least for the near foreseeable future. So, go to AOMC.mx, the link's in the description, get your order in, get your name in for some plastic. I know with the KTM 2023 stuff, you can get orange, black, white, Neptune blue. I know with the Husky stuff, you can get gray, white, black, the high vis yellow. But if you are wondering why you're not seeing, aftermarket plastic options for the KTMs, that is why. I don't know the details of it. These are just industry rumors I've heard. Now, this is also going to be the same deal with FMF exhausts. The way I understand it, the FMF exhausts for the 2023 new motorcycles will only be available via KTM for a certain period of time. I don't know how long that is, but it's for the the near future. So you can also grab those exhausts from AOMC.mx. You can use coupon code MXGuru with no spaces to save 10% on any of that stuff, guys. So click the link down in my description, get your name on plastics, get you an exhaust. Don't have to stress about it. So I hope that clears it up a little bit as to what's going on. And when I get any more information that I can share, I will share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.